All right, so I'm going to show you where the S-Class has the ambient lighting in here, especially where it's dark. Okay, so if you can see that it is right here. And there you have your ambient lighting. That's number one. So it does the footwell. All right, so spot number two is going to be on your door panel here. And there's a bulb right there that actually provides lighting here. We have again right there. If you can see right behind here, so your ambient lighting for the door handle. And then you have down here on the floor, the light will come on right there to kind of light up your floor. And it's also on the other side right there. All of this lighting is on both sides of the vehicle. All right, so I'm going to try to show you here in the dark if my iPhone can kind of pick it up. If you just turn the lights on, and you'll see where the door handle is. A little bit of light right there for your door. Next place is under the footwell. It's a little bit easier to see with the carpet removed. I'm doing some other repairs on it, but here is the lighting there. And it's on the other side, if you can see it, the little teeny light there. But if we back up, you can see where I'm kind of pointing. Also on the front, from 2000 to 2002, they have ambient lighting right here that comes up from the mirror that was introduced. So you do have a little bit of lighting that covers the shift area so that you'll be able to see. The back of the car, facing towards the back seats, you have a little bit of foot lighting to kind of guide you inside there. And also here in the door handles, as you can see, there's a little bit of lighting right there.